Hey guys, so today I decided to film a video of me putting together Ava's Easter basket. Maybe it will give you some ideas if you haven't done your child's Easter basket. It's Wednesday today, Easter is on Sunday. We are just going to be obviously celebrating it here at home in our backyard. And yeah, so I hope you enjoy this quick video. Okay, so I'll first start with the toys that I got her. So this is one of them, Bo Peep from Toy Story 4. It comes with like the little skirt to put on her stick thing. I'm gonna have to probably, oh my god, it even comes with giggles. I'm probably going to have to take it all apart because I don't think it's all gonna fit, because this is the size of her basket. And she's been asking for Barbie, so I'm gonna add this in there. And then some little paints. We pretty much paint like every other day. This little thing, I think this was only like $2 or something. Cute little activities. I've been wanting to get her these. They're little backdrops. Come with like a lot of different colors actually. You just drop it in and then the whole bath turns the different colors, and I think she'll really like that. And then candy, I got these, we put them in little jelly beans, some peanut butter cups. This cute little thing. And then these, I only ordered one. So all of this I did on Target Drive Up. I wasn't sure which one they were gonna give me because I just did one, and they have like different ones. They gave me 3 of them. I'm guessing it's because they probably didn't know which one to choose either. I thought that was super nice of them. And that's it. So let's put it all together and make it look cute. I'm gonna put Giggles into an egg. That'll be fun. You guys like these? I don't. So these, since you know they're not individually packaged, I'm going to wait to do those like the night before. Hi, baby.
What? Let's go.
I'm doing your Easter basket. You need to go over there. You can't see. Close your eyes. Go to your room. Go, go, go.
Okay. Mama, I put coffee on in my bed.
You make coffee a lot. Do you need water?
I'm fine.
Okay.
I'm crying. I'm crying.
Okay, here's the final look, everybody. Just kind of threw everything inside and took out the dolls so it fit better. And there's the little eggs in there, and then I'll probably add like more once I do like the jelly beans too. And yeah, I don't know, I didn't really like tape anything or anything like that, but I mean, I feel like everything's pretty much in its place for the most part. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope maybe it gave you some ideas. And yeah, thank you for watching. Have a good rest of your day and week, and we'll see you the next time. Bye.